Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Magic Eraser tool on your iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Alright, let's begin. I'll be demonstrating this with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Basically, you can use the Google Photos app to do this. So if you don't have it already, you can get it on the Play Store. Just look up Google Photos and make sure it's the official one by Google and then download that first. So once you have that available and open, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and select a photo that you want to use the Magic Eraser on. I've selected this photo with trees and a sky, and I may want this data pole here taken out or the cell tower taken out of this photo. So what I can go ahead and do is tap on the option here to edit, and you'll see these three little lines with the edit word here. You're going to tap on that, and then the next thing you're going to do is go to tools down here. And once you tap on tools, you will then see the option here for Magic Eraser. Once you tap on Magic Eraser, you just wait for a few moments here. It's going to try to detect what you want to get rid of, but you can simply get rid of the object by just circling it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here, and then you're going to notice it will go ahead and get rid of that pole. Once you're done with editing, you can just simply tap on Done. And then after that, just tap on Save again, and now that new photo will go ahead and save to your Google Photos. You can also download that on your iPhone to move that back over to your Photos app. So that's basically how you can use the Magic Eraser tool on your iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.